Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye. We have the Shibori dye. Super interested to see how this came out. Probably gonna be pretty easy to wash out. This is just a shirt on a pole. To the inside? Let me do a lens check before we start unwrapping. Alrighty. Getting it unbanded, look at that. This is our PVC Shibori. Redneck Shibori. Hope we're even saying that right. I got water on the lens. What we got? Ooh, that's really cool. Look at that. Don't you think that's pretty neat?
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. Okay, that's pretty tight. Awesome.
I don't want to wash out with the...
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, that came out really good. Look at that pattern on there. This is our Shibori, our first attempt at it. I believe I'm saying that right, I hope. Let me know if I'm not. But yeah, this came out really, really cool. Super impressed with this. We're gonna do some more of these in some different colors and larger shirts. We had to do this one in a small because we only had a small piece of PVC pipe, but we're gonna get some larger sections of pipe so we can do some larger shirts. But yeah, this is just a 2-color version, doing just little I guess you would say like candy cane swirl maybe. And we're going to try some other patterns as well. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.